Hello little learners, come and play. Welcome to Magic Minds today. Bobo Panda is here to say, let's learn and count the fun way. 5 little ducks went out to play, splashing in the pond all day. They waddled along with happy feet, dancing to the ducky beat. One saw a fish and swam away, following it through the pond today. The fish swished left, the fish swished right. What a funny, silly sight. Mama duck called, "Quack, quack, quack! Come little ducklings, hurry back!" Her voice was loud across the pond, calling her babies from beyond. The little duckling heard, hurried quickly past them all. Splash it swam with glee, back to its family by the tree. The little ducklings hurried back after Mama's quack, quack, quack. Bobo Panda laughed with glee. Let's count together, 1, 2, 3. Then 4 and 5 joined the fun, learning and counting for everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 today. Let's count the ducklings all the way. Flap, flap, flap with happy feet, dancing to the ducky beat. Quack, 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 sing along. Everybody joins the song. Quack, 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 what a day. Playing and splashing all the way. Jump and splash and laugh out loud. Happy ducklings make us proud. Bobo Panda waves goodbye. See you when the sun is high. Like and share and subscribe today. Don't soon for more fun play. Magic saves the day.